Hi, this is the Nokia 9 PureView and I'll show you the fingerprint scanner that's on this device. So I just set up my fingerprint to the scanner on the lock screen and now I'll make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my fingerprint and we'll see how fast this option is and does it works. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as we can see, the fingerprint scanner works here correct and will just unlock the device successfully without any problems. I just suggest you to try this unlock method, but to unlock your device with your fingerprint, you should hold it for a while. With the simple touch on the fingerprint scanner, you have no chance to unlock your device, so hold it for a while and you will unlock your device successfully. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.